4 things you have to invest in the Gambia and Senegal. These 4 things you have to invest in. If you're a salary earner, you have to invest in these 4 things. So I myself am a salary earner and I invest in these 4 things. So not everybody needs to be entrepreneur, but you can be a salary earner and invest in these 4 things. So you don't need to be entrepreneur, but you need to be investor if you are a salary earner. So number 1 you have to invest in is money market. What do I mean by money market is you have to invest in, for example, stocks. Stocks, you have to invest in stocks. You can buy Apple stocks, you can buy Samsung, you can buy how do you call it? You can buy Google stocks. All these stocks you can buy it. So you have to invest in stocks. And the other one you have to invest in money market is government bonds. Even in Gambia, there is a government bonds you can invest in. And you can invest in ETF. ETF is traded index funds. You can invest in, even you're in the Gambia. You will be amazed if you invest only $10 a month for 15 years. You will be in a better place if you invest in stock market. So the money you earn right now, this money is for now and it's for your future. So you cannot be eating all this money. You have to eat some of it, but you have to take some of it and invest. So you can invest in stocks, in bonds, and in ETFs. So, and the second one you have to invest in is other people's businesses. Other people's business. So this woman in Serakunda market, you are looking down on those women, but do you know that these women are more richer than you? I hope you know that. Some of them have 5 kids without no husband, and they are able to survive for 10, 15 years. So how is it possible? These women are making money there. So you can take $10,000 and you go to the woman and say, Mama, if I give you $10,000, so how much can you give me a month? So some will say, I can give you $500 a month. Believe me, $500 a month, for if you give her 10,000, your 10,000 is not gone. She will pay you every month $500. In a year, that is $6,000 without you doing absolutely nothing. So you have to know that. So investment is, don't look down on people. You have to go, you have to be humble, and you have to talk to her. And some will say they will give you 500, some will give you less. But you can make money investing in other people's businesses. So number 3 is intellectual properties. Intellectual properties. What do I mean by that? If you are good at writing, you can write a book, upload in Amazon. So you write it once, and it can make you money while you are sleeping for the rest of your life. Or you can create a YouTube channel like what I'm doing now, and you do a video once, and this video will generate money for you the rest of your life. So these are intellectual properties. You have to invest there. You have to invest in other people's businesses. You have to invest in intellectual properties. But the best part is the number 4, what I like, real estate. Everybody, absolutely everybody, need to have a land in Gambia. You don't need a land in Serakunda or in Brikama. You have to go to the villages and buy a land there for less money. So remember, I want to give you 3 things. These things I write it down. The first one is, remember these 3 things about real estate. A city today was a village yesterday. A city today was a village yesterday. A village today will be a city tomorrow. You have to know this. And you don't wait to buy a land, you buy a land to wait. Remember these 3 things. Real estate is the king of all investment. So these are the 4 things you can invest in if you are a salary earner in Gambia or Senegal. So today we will stop here, and next time we're going to talk about how to invest in stocks. So I can show you the broker's account, how you can do that exactly step by step. So thank you very much. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe there, and see you later. It's your boy, Sam.